Today experiment is study of delta modulation and demodulation. This is our objective. Observation the nature of spectrum of modulated waveform and measurement the essential bandwidth. Equipments: delta modulation and demodulation kit, power supply, oscilloscope and connecting links. This is our block diagram for delta modulation and demodulation. This is function generator, 250 Hz, 500 Hz, 1 kHz, 2 kHz and so on. And this section is input buffer section, and this section is digital sampler section. This is integrator 1, and this section is flip-flop modulator section, and this section is integrator 3, and this is output buffer. Then next is second order filter, and last one is fourth order filter. This is our output waveform. First one is input signal. Measure this signal amplitude and frequency. And second one is digital sampler output. Third one is integrator 3 output. And fourth one is filter output. This is our delta modulation kit, and this is our power supply, and this is DSO. This is our function generator section. This is our input buffer section. This is our digital sampler. This is our integrator 1. This is our demodulator, integrator 3, second order filter, fourth order filter, then output buffer. Connects through the connecting links as your circuit. Now measure the input signal. At first feed the DSO cable and connect the ground section to ground, and connect the input and press auto. This is our input signal. Measure this signal. This is our input signal voltage amplitude, peak to peak 560 or 600 millivolt, and frequency is 1 kHz. This is our input signal. Now measure the digital sampler output. This is our digital sampler. And press auto. This is our digital sampler output. This is 8 kilohertz. 8 kilohertz digital sampler output. And now press. This is 16 kilohertz, 16K digital sampler output, and this is 32 digital sampler output, and this is 64. And this is 128K. This is again 8K. Now integrator 3 output, and press auto. This is our integrator 3 output. This is for 8K, this is for 16K, and this is for 32K, this is 64K, and this is 128K clock pulse. And last is filtered output. And press auto. This is our filtered output, and measure. This is filtered output amplitude 750 millivolt, and frequency also 1 kilohertz. Thank you.